Okay, folks, I'm sorry. There was one more thing that I wanted to talk about because you're going to see it in your homework, so I want to make sure you know what we're talking about. This figure is called a net. And they call it a net just because the grid kind of looks like a net. It has these little grids or these square patterns in them, okay? That's why they call it a net. But what we want to imagine is we have some scissors. Let me see if I can draw a picture of scissors. No, I can't draw a picture of scissors. Okay.
Wow.
And we cut out the net, okay? If we cut out this net, what shape does it make? Right? We want to fold it right on its edges. What kind of shape would we make if we cut out this net and folded it? What do you think, Reed? It's not going to be a square because remember, a square is just a two-dimensional figure, right? So it's not going to be a square. What's it going to be, Judd?
It'd be a cube.
In this case, this one would be a cube, right?
Right.
Because all the sides are equal to two little grid parts. So it would look like that when we folded it up, okay? Now, let me ask you something. Other than calling this thing a cube, okay, thinking back to our lesson today, what name would we give this thing? What name would we give this? It has a rectangle on the bottom, and when we go up, it doesn't go to a point. We still have the same shape at the top. What would we call it, Chase? A rectangular prism. Okay? Now, parts of your homework are going to ask you to be able to look at a net and give the name of the shape that you would make if you cut it out and you fold it. Okay? Sophia? For this one, each one of these would have a 90 degree between the edges. The edges make 90 degrees. Does that make sense? What's that? It looks like Mario World? I'm going to trust you guys on that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let me give a shout out to Luke. How's that, Luke, for your shout out? You happy with it?